Well, hello Subaru Rally fans, in cartoon form that is, because we have a ChoroQ here of what looks to be a 2003 Impreza STI and driven by Arai, as you can see on the window here and on the toy. Right? Wheels don't really match up, but they ran different wheels in these races, so this one's funny. It looks like he's mining for gold or something, or the thing is spitting out a bunch of, is throwing up dirt. And then of course they fly in those rallies. Alright, so let's see what ChoroQ did here. So, yeah, all this is tampo printed. It's a metallic boot body, and the printing is all tampoed nicely. It's fitting that has gold wheels. The taillights here painted not only red, but the silver. It's weird that it doesn't say the year, though. Casting number 26, maybe? I don't know, because this thing says 54 for the race. All the sponsorship is legit. You know, Subaru, Motul, STI, some other sponsorship there, endless. And then we have the fog lights here, no covers, no paint. Nice grill pattern, unfortunately no paint or tampo there. None on the plate either, different texture here. The headlights are clear, they look black, but the whole body is this dark plastic. You can see the motor through it. And then they tampo printed this stuff, the wiper blades. This little wedge here looks like a vent, separate piece. The little air scoop to the cabin, separate piece. 54 is tampoed there, but I don't know if that's a piece of hair or a crack in the paint. More printing back here is nice, a separate wing with some printing on it. So a lot of details printed on this guy. Yeah, it says 2003 here is when it came out, so very nice standard construction of a screw up front, tab in the back, and you can see more of the clear body here. It's a pullback toy if you're unaware. They go very fast. You can put a coin here and it'll pull back and do a wheelie. Let's look at a few other Subarus. Alright, I got a bunch of WRC Imprezas here. This one is from 1997. And Colin McRae was driving this. I 3D printed my own wheels on it though. Let's see what's next. We have a 2001 Impreza driven by Richard Burns. And I 3D printed my own wheels and brakes on this one. The next one is an 03, 3D printed wheels, Tommy Mäkinen. Okay. The next one is a 2005, and back to Arai, 3D printed wheels. Those are all ChoroQs. There's two more though. This is by Wanda Coffee, I believe. Yeah, it is. I don't know what year it is. I didn't take notes, but it's from the Rally Japan, and it's also driven by Arai. But this is definitely a more new. But this is a freebie that came with a can of coffee. I 3D printed my own wheels again. Again, another Wanda freebie, and again driven by Arai, but it's a I don't know what is the newest Impreza. So I used to own a Subaru Impreza. That's why I really like these, and that's why I took the effort to 3D print all these wheels. I guess this one I'll just leave alone since I have all the other wheels 3D printed. So this is actually the same casting, I think, as this one. Yeah, the 03. So the Tommy Mäkinen though has clear headlights, and it has a printed on vent in the hood, and the rear wing looks different as well, but the body I think is the same casting. It's got the same type of taillights. Alright, coincidentally I have a Resin Works driver figure wearing an Arai helmet. I don't know if Arai is related to the family that makes these motorcycle helmets. Leave a comment if you know. I've never thought about it before. But anyways, I'm always glad to get a World Rally car, and in particular an Impreza. So good stuff. Oh, there it goes. That's the problem. That's why I hate rolling models. Alright, I don't know if they have other ones, ChoroQ or Wanda, but if they do, I'll get them eventually. Thanks for tuning in. See you at the next race.